Get ready for the happiest, muddiest, and most squeaky clean fun you can imagine. Welcome to a squishy, squeaky adventure where your favorite playful pets and amazing zoo animals come together for the ultimate messy playdate. The ground is soft with cool, squelchy mud. The air is filled with the sound of happy squeals and playful barks. Antelope is not a strict scientific classification. It's a general term for many even-toed ungulates in the Bovidae family that are not cattle, sheep, or goats. Antelope are a primary food source for many of Africa's and Asia's major predators, including lions, leopards, cheetahs, wild dogs, and hyenas. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Lionesses are the real hunters. In a pride, the females do most of the hunting, while the males protect the group. Lionesses take care of their cubs with great love, keeping them safe and teaching them to hunt. Lionesses use teamwork and strategy. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have thick necks and powerful shoulders. That's what gives them their strength. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants are the biggest, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and rounder heads. Elephants live in savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps across Africa and Asia. Elephants are very strong. Rhinos have been on Earth for over 50 million years. Some of their extinct ancestors were woolly and lived during the Ice Age, and one species. Rhino horn is illegally trafficked for use in traditional medicine, despite having no proven medicinal value, and for ornamental dagger handles. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas. A small population of Asiatic lions still survives in India's Gir forest. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bear can consume over 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of blubber in one sitting. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Our adventure is a sensory delight. You can help toss bright, squeaky toys for a joyful gang of goats to chase, watch a friendly pot-bellied pig demonstrate the perfect muddy roll, and see a zoo otter slide down a special mud and water slide.